When sending a fax from the new fax machine located inside of our copier, you can either use the document feeder or you can use the glass much like you would if you were making a copy. Go to the screen and find where it says fax and press. Press speaker so you can hear the dial tone. Dial the fax number. Once the fax number is there, press the start key and you can watch the progress in the job status. Right now it's connecting. To the left of that, you'll see that it's actually communicating. Long as it is communicating and connecting, then your fax is still processing. If your fax fails, you will get a printout that tells you the reason, either non-connection, busy, or something similar. And after that beep and no rejection paper, you know that your fax is complete. You can go ahead and remove your original and go about your day. You can also, to reset the fax so it's set for copy, once you're done, just hit the home button. Thank you.